Yeah, this is the thing that people talk about a lot. This is the thing that's like a very hot topic. Is it good that the guy that your family selects, the guy or the girl that your family selects, is the best for you based on the preferences that they select? Or is the person who actually strikes a chord with your heart such that you are deeply in love with that person and you should get married to that person? Now, yes, arranged marriage is a term where people decide whom you are going to marry, and love marriage is where you decide which person you want to marry. This is something arranged marriages we do have in India. That is why this is a hot debate and I wanted to share about it. So make sure that you watch this entire video, because it's not always that arranged marriages are only good. It's not always that all love marriages are bad. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. See, nobody can tell that if a marriage is an arranged marriage, it's going to last. At the same time, nobody can say that if a marriage is a love marriage, it is definitely going to end up in separation. Both have their own pros and cons. And yeah, so let's get started. What's good about and what's bad about something, okay? So, see, arranged marriage. Arranged marriage is where your family, your loved ones, the people who you know, they go and find a suitable partner according to your preferences, according to your needs, and yeah, so that is how they search for you. And ultimately, it used to happen in India that, yeah, years and years back, the groom and bride, they never saw each other before marriage, and on the day of wedding they are actually seeing that person for the first time. Okay. So this was the level of arranged marriages in India earlier, but yes, now it's not that way. Hopefully it's not that way, but still I have heard few people telling me that this is how they got married. Okay. Usually people feel that in love marriage people fight a lot, but in arranged marriages also people usually fight. Love marriages, people usually fight. So the bottom line is, any kind of marriage you marry, any kind of person you are in a relationship with, there are going to be fights. You are going to have misunderstandings, you are going to have disagreements, you are going to have some confrontational conversations where, yeah, they may lead to hot arguments. Okay. It is very common in all relationships. So don't worry if you like quarrel a lot with your partner. Don't think that it's not a right match and you're just about to break up. It's not because of that. There are some people who quarrel a lot and they are somebody who are so inseparable, they cannot live without each other. Okay. So yes, there are people like that also. So which one is better? See, if it's arranged marriage that you want to go ahead with, try to make sure that arranged marriages are where the family is trying to see a bride or a groom that is from a good family. The person is good, trustworthy, they're not going to end up with domestic violence or something like that. But yeah, basically they just see that the family is good and is going to, and the person, the bride or the groom who is getting married, is going to be happy in their life. Yeah, so the basic intention is good. Again, with arranged marriages, I would suggest choose a partner only if that person strikes the inner chord with you. Okay, so if you feel that your inner chord is struck while you are talking with somebody in the arranged marriage setting, then definitely go ahead with that person, because your heart is really important. Connection with that person is really important. Whatever kind of marriage you get into, connection is really important. Heart to heart connection. Okay. The second kind of marriage is love marriage. Love marriage is where usually people, they don't see anything, while they fall in love, they usually don't see the background, they usually don't know what kind of background that person belongs to, they usually don't know anything about that person, and they fall in love. But how do you fall in love? When somebody cares about you, when somebody talks very, when somebody like talks really well with you, they take care about you, they appreciate you. There are also fool people who just do that to lure you into their drama. But if that person is true at heart, you will know that they are true at heart. So when somebody impresses you, when somebody's character impresses you, that you just feel that you won't be able to live without them. Okay, so that is where people select a partner in love marriages. Now, which is a total no-no. Okay, the third thing that I'd like to share is love at first sight. That is something that's a total no-no, because a lot of relationships, a lot of love relationships that don't last long are going to be the love at first sight ones. Because love at first sight is not going to be anything that is where you have not given good thought, where you have not logically thought over whether that person is good for you. See, even if you fall in love with that person, sometimes seeing that that person is not from a good background, they don't have a good family background, they are not a good person in themselves. If you have fallen in love with that kind of person, but once you start noticing that, you may actually distance yourself from that person. That's the total thing that can happen. But in love at first sight, sometimes you just don't want to listen to anyone, even if that person is hurting you, even if that person is doing domestic violence against you, they are just exploiting you, they are doing all kinds of shit with you that you cannot tolerate. Still, love at first sight is something that people just fall over, and they usually regret, because most of the love at first sight cases, they do end up in separation. Okay, so so this is the difference between love marriage and arranged marriage. A lot of people in India feel that parents are, see, now I don't say that this is wrong. Okay, this is Indian culture, that in India's culture people usually believe that parents are an equal to God. Definitely parents have the most, parents care about kids the most, parents have the bestest intentions about their kids the most. So parents are always going to search for a guy or a girl who is going to suit with their kid. I know, not kid, but with their son or daughter. But at the same time, there are times when arranged marriages just don't work. Okay, I have seen this, that parents purposely, they push their daughter, they push their son, that no, you have to live with that person. That is not how marriages work. Marriages work only because of love. Okay, so keep that in mind. So just see, which person you are so deeply connected with them that no matter whatever happens, you will always want to stay with them. So that is how you have to select that partner. Okay, so so this is the video for you. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, let me know in the comments what are your opinions. Share this video with as many people with whom you think this video will help them. And I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.